Hey guys, has fixed here. Today I'm going to change the old battery of my Lexus IS250, and this car has very old batteries from 2018, so yeah, I have to change it. So this is the old car battery. You can see that the group size is H6. It is also denoted by LN3 or sometimes 48. And the CCA, cold cranking amps, is 730. So CCA is basically the starting power of your battery under a cold condition. That means the maximum amount of current that it can supply for 30 seconds under minus 18 degrees centigrade. And the voltage shouldn't lower than 7.2 volts. So that's CCA. The CCA rating is 730. Is enough for V6. For V8, it should be like 800 or something like that. And for four-cylinder engines, 500 cc is enough. But this one is V6, so I prefer to have higher CCA. And in Canada, the winter is very cold, and yeah, I need that extra power in cold of winter to start my car. So this is the negative terminal of this battery, and I have to also remove this 10mm screw right there to remove that battery. And this is the negative terminal of the battery, another 10mm here, and positive terminal, another 10mm here. So these three screws are needed to be removed to take out this battery. So let's do that. So this is the toolbox that I need to remove the battery. This is the torque wrench. I would be needing this one, and I have a bunch of different sizes sockets, but I only need a 10mm and extension bar as well. This is a very nice, small, handy toolbox that I always use to work on my car. And I also got a new battery from Walmart. It's Everstart, similar group size battery, but it's an AGM battery, which is far better. So I need to remove the negative terminal first. So always remember this thing, always disconnect the negative terminal first in order to avoid the spark and also to ensure the safety, because your wrench is a metal and the negative terminal is connected to the car's chassis, so it's basically ground, right? So if you remove the positive terminal first with your torque wrench or something metallic tool, now if accidentally your tool touches the car's body or any metallic part, which is basically a ground, then you complete the circuit, and that means the current will start to flow through the metal tool that you are using to remove the positive terminal. So it's very, very risky, and sparking and this kind of accident will happen. So always remove the negative terminal first. Don't ever remove the positive terminal. Okay, so that's for the safety reason. And it's a good practice to cover up your negative terminal just for your safety. Now we have to remove the screw for this bracket, the safety bracket for the battery to take out. And the way this battery frame is to be removed is very easy. You don't have to unbolt this screw entirely. You see, there's a kind of bent thing here, so it basically goes into this slot. So just put it in the slot, okay, and this white thing, it should slide into this hole, and there you go. And then it actually is flexible, so yeah, so that is how you actually remove it. So you don't have to unbolt this screw entirely, and yeah, this is pretty easy. I mean, you can unbolt this screw and just leave this black thing. It's up to you, but you don't have to if you don't want to. Now time to remove the positive terminal. It's just a 10mm screw here. Just use your torque wrench to unscrew it. So here you go. Like I said, that this battery is very old. You can see the label. It's manufactured in 2018. So this is the old battery, and this battery is very old. You can see it was manufactured sometime in 2018. It's been like 8 years. And it's from Costco, Kirkland brand. It has seen its good days, but now really cannot cope up with the cold in Canada. Okay, so this was removed from the battery terminal. Time to install the new battery here. Okay guys, so this is the new Everstart Platinum AGM battery. You can see AGM, so it is much more expensive. The cold pranks is 760 rupees H6. So time to install this best. So before putting the battery in, make sure you inserted this metal rod into the slot and this white thing into this tiny hole, and then it's very easy to put down this black thing into this bolt and then lock it. So this way it's very easy to work around. This torque wrench again for 10 mil screw. So when you are connecting a new battery, make sure you connect the positive terminal first, because that means the circuit isn't complete. So even if your wrench or also any tool touches the metal part of the car, the circuit would not be complete and the electricity cannot flow. So you are free from hazard. But if you connect with the negative one, the car metal part becomes very live, and if your tool touches the positive terminal, you to complete the circuit and the electricity will start to flow. So that's the risk. So always go for the positive terminal first when you are connecting the battery. So remove the cap. Then use the positive terminal here. Okay. So this was the bolt for the positive terminal. I'm gonna put it back. Positive terminal done. Now comes the negative terminal. Okay, so the new battery is installed. Now it's ready.